Hey guys, Gunwild here. I have decided to come out with a series of videos that I will be reviewing various items, mainly multi-tools and pocket knives, maybe some flashlights, for people that are on a budget. For people that cannot afford the top-end stuff like Benchmade and Spyderco, Kershaw, things like that. These items are going to be not top of the line, but they'll be from middle down to lower as far as quality goes. The first item I want to bring to the table is this Leatherman Style CS. What this is, it's a small multi-tool that is a pair of scissors. The open length of this is 4 5/8 inches long. The closed length is right at 3 inches. The length on the scissor blades is 1 inch, and it rests in the hand pretty nice. Kind of, the way I do is I kind of rest it on my pinky there, kind of give it a little stability. It cuts rather well. The scissors are sharp, they cut smoothly. And if I can keep it on the paper there. Come on, guy. But they work pretty good. It has a knife blade on it, which the knife is 1 5/8 inches long, and it has an okay edge on it. It's not super sharp, but it's an okay edge. Yeah, probably not going to cut paper very well. It's probably going to rip it more than it will cut it. Plus, I'm not very experienced at this, so yeah. See, yeah, it needs to be sharper. But this is just the way it came out of the box. It also has a file. Let's see, the file is over here, like a nail file along here, with a tiny slotted screwdriver. It has a carabiner clip, so you can clip it onto your keychain, maybe a D-ring on a range bag or some kind of EDC bag, which this clip also doubles as a bottle opener. Has a little lip on here to, you know, hook it on the end of the bottle and open it up. This also has a pair of tweezers on it. They're not high quality. They're very thin, but I mean, in a pinch you could use it if you had a splinter or something that you needed to get out. It is angled here, I guess for a better, so you can grab something, you know, like if you had a splinter or something better. Actually, that grabbed pretty good. So it's got that. Let's see, the weight of this is only 1.45 ounces, and they're fairly inexpensive. I've seen them on Amazon.com for $15.09, and I'm sure that includes, or plus shipping. Doesn't include shipping. I'm sure shipping is extra. I just happened to have picked this one up off of eBay for about $7.50. I'm a big eBay shopper. I'm huge on eBay, getting things at a cheaper price. And I've seen several of these on eBay, and for different price levels. Some of them you can just buy straight out without bidding, and some you can do bidding on. So that's it for my first little EDC on a budget review. And thanks for watching, guys, and we'll talk to you later. Goodbye.